guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine, and you already know the deal. When you see my hair pulled back like this and me rubbing my head, that means we installing another wig. You already know it's another LUVME unit, and this unit is a very short bob. Okay, I have all the details listed in the description box down below if you guys are willing to check those out and want all the links and length and all that. It'll be down there for you. This cap construction on this unit is very well, like all of LUVME wigs. It does have the elastic band. I was trying to figure out how I wanted to style this wig, right? So personally, I just do not like short hair on myself. I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't flatter my face shape. So I was like, do I want to do a side part? Do I want to do a middle part? I don't know. So I just started with like hot combing the front of the hair and like trying to see like what it was giving, you know? This is a 5x5 unit, and I did bleach the knots and pluck the hairline a bit. So I decided to just go with like a little swoop, like natural side part, almost like a pushback look. And I went ahead and cut that lace in a zigzag motion, of course. And then here you see me still trying to play around, like, do I want to do a middle part or not? Like the middle part was giving like Lord Farquaad kind of, you know the vibes. It was giving Lord Farquaad. So I was like, what do I want to do with this unit? I don't know. Like I low-key was thinking about like pushing it back, like slicking it back and like making it a very short like little look. But then I was like, nope, we're just gonna do the little pushback side part. I decided to like give it like a wet and like curly type of look, just run with like the natural pattern that their hair already had. So I just grabbed some mousse and was just putting that in the hair and just kind of scrunching it with my fingers to give it a nice little wave. As you can see, this hair actually has like a really pretty wave to it. I know I was going to straighten it, but I found that like with this wig being so short, I don't know if the cap size was a little off, but this cap was actually very small on me. So like y'all, it was low-key like sliding off, like popping off my head because it was so small. So I have a big head though, so I'm sure this will work for any other normal person, but your girl got a chrome dome, and this wig cap was low-key ready to pop off my head. I've never had that issue with any of my other LUVME wigs, so I doubt that it was like a manufacturer issue. I just feel like my head is just really big. So if you have a regular size head, this wig will work fine for you, but us big-headed girls, had a little issue, but I made it work. So as you can see, I'm just putting in some wand curls just to give it a little bit more volume because I liked the shape of the curls that the wig had, but I just wanted a little bit more oomph, you know? As you can see, I didn't apply any glue whatsoever, but that wig is on there, you know what I'm saying? And I felt like I love the body of this hair. The hair quality is always great with LUVME units. It's super short. It's a super short wig, which is way out my comfort zone. Honestly, it's still kind of, I still have some growing to do on me just because like I just don't think it does anything for my head shape, face shape, nothing. But I definitely can see a lot of ladies wearing this in the summertime. If you have like that, if you love short hair, this wig is for you, because I think that the cut of it was a really pretty, but just not on me. I just didn't feel my most confident in it, you know? Make sure you guys check out all the links in the description box about this wig along with the length, and I also have a code for you guys to save a little bit of extra money when shopping LUVME hair. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.